Hi everyone, it's me Jamshed from professionaltutorial.com, and today in this tutorial we are going to learn how we can just install WordPress in localhost, or you can also install WordPress in website, and I will show you in this video the most easy and simple method. Now what we have in this course and in this video, let's get started. Okay, here is my YouTube channel, and I have already uploaded that how to install cPanel on Windows 10, and it means that if you have not installed a Xampp server for local host, then you can install that one, and then you can just download WordPress, and after that how to configure that one I will show you in this video. I have already downloaded the WordPress file and WordPress in my Windows, like I will show you here. Here is my WordPress, which is 4.9.8. it is latest version till I have recorded that video, but you can just, if you are going to see that video in future, you can download that from the description of this video. I will provide the link where you can download the WordPress file as well. Now let's see how we can do that. First I will start my Xampp server, and the process how to install Xampp server I'll also show you. I will also give you the link of that video in the description of this video. Now that is my Xampp control panel, and I will start Apache and my SQL, and when both of that will start, now let me, it is now started. Both of them is working all right, and now what will I do? I will come here in Explorer, and you can check that it will take me to the Xampp folder here, and here we are just going to find our htdoc, and here I will make one new folder, and I will just say that it is website or WordPress. Okay, now what we will do, we will bring the file which we have downloaded from the internet, we will bring that here, and here we are going to extract. Then you are going to click on extract here, and it will extract the file with the name of WordPress. Then further you are going to wait that it will completely copy every file. Once it will copy everything, then you have to delete the main zip folder, and you are going to copy, select all, Control C, Control A, Control C, and you are just going to Control V here, and you will get all the file from the subfolder to the main folder, and you will get extra free folder. Now it is empty, since we are going to see, okay, WordPress again, we have some file here. I have just copied that one, I have not got that. I'm going to delete that one, and now what else we are going to do, we come to our browser, and for the browser I will select that one, and here we are going to write localhost / my admin, and for localhost, first I will write localhost. Okay, then it will take me to dashboard, where I will go php my admin, and I will move to my php my admin control panel, where I'm going to make a database. But before going to make database, I'm going to come here, and we are going to write like localhost, and we have like what we get WordPress folder. The name of the folder was WordPress, and we are going to write that WordPress, and you will see that the installation of that page will come in front of you. And here we have the configuration. Now what you are going to do, you have to just press the language which you want. For me, I will select English, and we are going to create continue. And welcome to the WordPress. Before starting, we need some information, and that will be about database, username, password, and host. Let's go. And in database name we are going to write that one, but in username you are going to write root, and in password you are going to let that empty. Everything else will be fine. I will write here database like Xampp and database. Okay, and how I have written that one, we are going to come in database, and we are going to write Xampp and data. What I have written, that database, or yeah, database. Okay, create that one, and now you can see it is created. What we are going to do here, submit. And now, all right, Sparky, you have made it through. It's part of the installation. Now we are going to run the installation, and now it will ask about the website. I will call my title first website, and what will be the username, like I will say Xampp Chat, and I will just make some password like 123 and 123 456. okay, and confirm weak password. Since it is very weak, I will let that to be that as it is, because it is in my local host. I don't want that to be strong, and no one is going to enter in my that local host. And I'm not going to write email address since it is in localhost, and I will just say discourage search engine for indexing this site, because in localhost it will not matter if you are going to discourage or not, because I'm not going to optimize that one. Now install, and we need email address. Yeah, I will write admin and made updates, week, and installation. Okay, now everything is completed, and it is saying to me that save the password, and I'm going to say no. And here I'm going to log in, and what I'm going to write here, that is Xampp, and what is the password, 123456, and login. And you will bring to your dashboard, and after that you are going to just open your website here, and congratulations, you have created your first website. And that is, you are going to do everything here, and further we are going to see that how we are going to make WordPress development or making customization in WordPress, and how we are going to make everything clear and smooth. If you have any problem, you can write that in comment box below, and if you like that video, just thumbs up that video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and also press the bell icon inside of subscription button. Now let me just say goodbye to everyone.